What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Novice Quad. Some of you know me as Lawrence. I'm sitting here in a car outside a park called Interference Park. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. It's actually Flushing Meadows Corona Park. This is the home park of Drone X Factor. A lot of you guys know him and his channel. But anyway, I was invited to come here and fly. It's an overcast day. It's my second day trying to get some footage with my Air 2S, and it's the second day it's been cloudy like this. But I brought my FPV birds as well, so hopefully one of the two styles of flying I should get some decent footage. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. I see some people in the park.
Make me feel like I'm supposed to go. Tell me what you're thinking about me when I'm gone. You're so beautiful, it's so personal. And while you play these games, I question my faith first of all. You'll never know what I really feel when I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind. So darling, just call. Tell me everything's alright. I don't wanna fall. I can't lose it all. Take a part of me that doesn't show. Hide it in the dark until it's gone, gone, gone. You're so beautiful, you'll never know how I can make you feel when you have got someone to hold. It's so personal. Wish I was near you now, but I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind. So darling, just call. Tell me everything's alright. I don't wanna fall. I can't lose it Make me feel like I'm supposed to go. Tell me what you're thinking about me when I'm gone.